Genesis chapter 1, verse 2. Earth began as a lifeless, rocky water. God's Spirit hovered in the darkness. Welcome back to Mr. News Art Class. It's wonderful to see your smiling faces today. This Inktober, I'm illustrating the book of Genesis, one verse per day, along with my own paraphrased version of the written text. Disclaimer: these illustrations and words are my own artistic interpretation and are not intended to replace legitimate Bible translations. Whether you like my rendition of the Bible's opening passages, or you think that I'm a heathen for changing something that God made perfect already, leave your comments down below and let me know what you think. I'm always a fool for constructive criticism. If you don't want to miss a video in this series, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you know someone else who might like this video, feel free to share it. Well, there it is, my rendition of God creating the heavens and the earth. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up or down to let me know if you like it or not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And have a blessed day.